So Tikaani's on the long lead today, so she gets to go all this exploring, all this water. Splash, 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 splash. But Wolfie says, water, I'm not too sure about water. There's lots of tadpoles. Look at all these tadpoles. Let's see if I can get them. Hang on, I'll try and zoom in. Yeah, tadpoles. You know, tadpoles. Lots of froggy tadpoles. And she's saying, I want to go through those drains. Hey, that's a bit wet for me. God, look at them all. All those tadpoles. All those frogs. They have lots and lots and lots of frogs. And she's caught up on a pole over there. Silly girl. Let's see if I can untangle her. Nah. Oh dear, she's on a bolt. And I don't want to get feet wet. I don't have my shoes on. Yeah, you're all tangled, sweetie. She said, oh no, I'm not tangled. So is he. He's all tied up in the mitts. He's been walking over and over in the leads. Hey, haven't you? Hey? Hey, Tikaani? How are you going to get yourself out of that? Yeah, well, you're the one that went over there. You silly girl. My foot's all tangled up. There we go. Hang on, I need to go this way. Yeah, there's a tunnel under there. It's very dark. Can't see much. Oh, that looks very soft. I'm not going to walk on that. You're going to have to get yourself out of that, sweetie. She said, how do I get myself out of this? Unfortunately, he's sitting on the lead, standing on the lead. So if I put that foot over there, that foot over there, we'll try and flip that one up. There we go. Now she's free as a bird. And what are you after, sweetie? She said, oh, so much to see. Hang on, sweetie. I don't want to be dragged into that water. Thank you very much, Lee. I'll walk on the edge here. It's nice and dry where Wolfie's walking. So, but this is so much fun. So much water. She's saying, great fun. Let's walk down that way. You're going to have to walk around the tree because she's on the long lead. Which is all wet. I've also got the short lead as well here, just in case. She's great fun. This is so much fun. So much freedom. Wolfie doesn't need that. He says, no, I'm sticking with you. When we go for a walk, he sticks with us anyway. She still reckons there's something there. She's not sure. She's very hesitant. There's probably something nasty there, sweetie. Come on. Come on. And of course she's going to go the wrong way around me. What's this? So it's a little overcast day. Just a little. That's not too bad. A little cloudy. It's lovely temperature for me to go out. It's a little windy. Oh, data dump. There we go, data dump. What about you? You going to do a data dump? She says, nah, I'm right. I just want to sniff. Oh, it sounds like they're doing some wood chopping across the road. She says, I want it, so go down there. You're down there, sweetie. Look at crazy, crazy puppy. This is great fun. I get such a long lead. This is great. I get to do so much more. Splashing around. Oh dear. Oh, now she's got a wet bum. I wonder if I caught that. Want to cross? There we go. Good boy. Good boy. He's finding it tough because the long lead keeps on getting caught in him. There she goes. Oh, that's a good tug. Good pull. And the second lead is getting caught all around me. So I might do a two-part video on this because we're getting up to, well, 6 minutes now. So I'll let the next video go as a water baby as she's heading down to the water.